Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Nothing Phone 3A Lite, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down and find more security and privacy. And here we have to scroll again and localize encryption and credentials. Let's tap. So here, almost at the very bottom of the list, we've got the option we're looking for, so clear credentials. Let's simply tap on it and confirm it by tapping on OK. Not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Be aware, because if you've got the screen lock, your device will ask you to enter it to confirm the whole step, but no worries, it's completely normal. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.